my time with you. You spend my time. But we both know it ain't the case, babe. Why you asking me questions that you know the answer to?
Okay, y'all, I know it's been a while since I released the video, since I put another soap video out, but I really have been getting a lot of requests and a lot of people wanting to learn how to make soap, a lot of people wanting to have more videos on how to make soap. So I'm still making soap every day, but you know, with everything going on, I have not been wanting to record as much. It is 100-degree weather right now when I'm soaping. I decided to do a voiceover because I couldn't really talk throughout the video like I wanted to. You hear a lot of birds chirping, all that good stuff. Alright, so all I'm doing right now is I'm making the lining for my soap mold. And something I want to tell you guys right now is that this is a good option if you don't want to go out and buy like the silicone mold and stuff. I have another video if you go look down my list of how I actually made this box. So that's something you can do if you want to make like a custom size soap, if you want a longer bar. I'm just going to kind of breeze through this process really fast because I know I got a lot of videos on the beginning stages of making soap. All I did was just pour my waters. So something that I did different this time is when I added the oils, I put a whole bar of shea butter in there this time. Normally I melt the shea butter first. When I tell you that it's really hot outside, that even my coconut oil was already melted, that when I put in this shea butter, it was really dense, so it was easy to separate it with the stick blender. Now that's what I'm going to do next after I pour the rest of the oils into this bucket. A good place to go get like materials like this is the Dollar Tree. I got this bucket from the Dollar Tree. Pretty much all the material you see me using, but the ingredients I got from the Dollar Tree. So I pinched a piece off of this plastic cup so people can know, like, this cup, if you ever see it inside, don't use it. It's strictly for my lye. So I went on ahead and mixed my lye with my water. Get that started before I start to puree this avocado and this shea butter. Right now I'm just stick blending the shea butter like I told y'all I was gonna do. And I haven't even mixed the lye with the oils yet. This is just strictly oils and shea butter. I'm just getting the shea butter down to a fine consistency so it's really easy to use when I start the mixing process. You really don't have to use the stick blender to mush down your avocado. I'm just lazy, so I went ahead and used it. But now this is what I want to show you guys. This is the process you are all familiar with when you watch my videos. This is me mixing my lye water with my oils. Just a quick reminder, if you guys are interested in soap classes, I do teach them one-on-one, and I do have a couple group sessions. But you can just send me a message on Facebook under the Lux and Nature Botanicals tab, or find me under one of the comments and, just shoot me a message. So this is actually the seed of the avocado. I grind it up really fine and then I incorporate it into the soap. This is like my go-to move because the nut of the avocado really carry a lot of nutrients in it, and it's really important that I incorporated that inside of the soap. Definitely when you're making soap, you really want to make sure you pay attention to the consistency when you're stick blending, because you'll run through trace phases. So you have like a light trace, a medium trace, a thick trace, and if you are really advanced with this, you can start to look at the light to medium trace, the medium to thick trace. And if you take my soap class, I do go over all of this. So this video is really like how I make my avocado bloom soap. It's also a really good video to watch before you take my soap class. Remember, when you're making soap, everything inside this bucket is a part of your soap. You need every single inch of this soap scraped. That is important. You need to wipe this bucket clean. So when it comes to designing a soap, if you ever see how it looks soupy and you're like, no, I want it a little thicker, it's not taking to the texture, just let it sit for like 5 minutes. I'll say check it every 2 minutes. What I'm going to do is, you'll see me throw up like the wait sign with my finger towards the bottom of the screen, and I waited about 5 minutes before I tried to create a texture for this soap again. So this is my first attempt, and then after I do the little wait sign, you'll see me do my second attempt, and you'll notice the difference between them. Okay, you guys, this brings us to the end of this video, and I am sorry that it was really fast paced. I'll try to bring you guys more content and more videos as the weeks progress, but I thank you, and if you like this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
I wanna do is spend my time with you, but we both know it ain't the case, babe. Why you asking me questions that you know the answer to?